Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Mercari coupon codes. So basically, this is a platform where you can buy and sell online stuff that you don't need anymore, and you can put them online and sell them, and that's where you can buy stuff from other people. So I'm going to show you how to get the best coupon codes for this website. So in order to do that, open your web browser and search for Mercari coupon codes. So right here, you should be able to find different options and different websites, but I'm suggesting you use this one right here, which is retrieve.com. And if I'm going to this website, as you can see, we have a list of different coupons. This one right here are reported by the other users that are working. So basically, you know for a fact that these discount codes are working, but you can also scroll through the other offers and choose that is the best one for you. So if you want, let's say this one with $30 off your purchase, you can just select copy code right here and use this discount code on your purchase in order to get the discount. So let's say you don't find any offers that is suitable for you on this website. You just can go back to your main search right here on Google, and you can use another website, or- which I'm going to show you right now. Just let me find that one right here. Uh, you can use this one right here, which is a coupon chief. And as you can see, right here we have a list with other discount codes that you can use. So if you want to get this $30 discount code, you can just select this option where it says get promo code, and you can copy this discount code and apply it to your purchase in order to get the $30 discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.